up, you guys? It's your girl Autumn, and I'm back with my okay, now I got the lashes on. We can set this face. I'm not about to bake or do anything crazy because I literally have one class today, and then I'm done. And I thought I didn't have class. I thought I had a freaking 10 to thought I had a 10 to 12:15, but turns out that bad boy is 10 to freaking 12:45, and I was so upset. Like, bro, why is my class so long? But it's a chemistry class. It's chemistry 2. I probably shouldn't have did that. I should have put my lashes on last and then spray my face. But it's okay. It's okay. Cause your girl is just about set. All there's left to do is highlight. And I'm on my way out the door. I can just highlight. And I know I'm not using the highlighter brush. Don't lie to me. Leave me alone. Okay. So, lashes on. That's it. I got the wig laid down. So, this is like literally all I'm about to do as far as my lash is lit. No, it's not. I'm tripping. I'm just flying away a little bit. I'm tripping. Okay. But this is all I'm about to do as far as like getting dressed. I just have on a crop top with some jeans, some ripped jeans. Because like I said, it's hot as fucking Alabama all the goddamn time. So yeah, this is what I'm about to do for makeup. I'm about to go grab my book bag so I can head out the door before I'm officially late. So I'm gonna catch it, and I'm gonna be swapping from my phone to my camera because I'm not about to take my bulky ass camera with me to class. That's just doing too much. So I'm gonna just swap to my phone and get ready to head out. So. Okay, now I'm literally about to close everything. I need a jacket. I definitely need a jacket. I need my Carmex. This Carmex is freaking life. I need to come home and clean my room when I come home. And since my boyfriend had plans to mud ride today, so we're gonna go mud riding after I get out of class. Because that's always, I need a fucking jacket. What am I doing? I need my keys. I need my jacket. I'm all types of screwed up. Okay, what kind of jacket we gonna wear? I think I'm wearing my Columbia jacket. Cause I haven't worn this bad boy in so long. So here we go, my Columbia jackets. I'm about to grab a water. I think I'm gonna leave my laptop here. So yeah, grab a water. I'm gonna grab a light snack while I'm here too. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the car and I'm on my way to school. It's currently 9:53. It's 9:53, so I should be getting there at maybe 10:20ish. I should be there by 10:20. Hopefully. Traffic is not bad since like the high schoolers in my area and like all the people that like the high schoolers and elementary school, they aren't back in school yet. So they start school tomorrow. So we should have no problem with police. Well, I don't know about the police. Who knows? But we should be okay. There shouldn't be as much traffic on the roads as it would if I had an 8 a.m. class on the day that all the other people, the school buses is running. I shouldn't have as much traffic. So we should get there by 10:20, if not before. I have my book backpack. So I guess since I'm in the car, it's gonna take me a minute to get there. I can give y'all a little rundown on my schedule and what's been going on. We can do a car talk. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's so ugly. But so on Mondays, I only have one class on Mondays and Wednesdays, and which is Chemistry 2, since I took Chemistry 1 last semester. I have to take Chemistry 2. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have what do I have? I have English 2, and then I have And then I have World History 2. So I tried to do a continuation of everything I took last semester, this semester, and then like work it up because that would have been too much. Oh, and then I have 2 online classes. I have algebra with Trig, and then I have speech. So I have those 2 online classes. And last semester I took math online too, and it was easy. I like taking it online. It's better to me, in my opinion. But yeah, so like I was saying, I'm a biomed major. I go to the school down here. It's called Coastal, Alabama. It's a 2-year school. It's a community college. So I have exactly a year left. I could finish in less than a year if I really wanted to, but ain't nobody got time for that. I'm not trying to rush it or whatever. So yeah, I have exactly a year left at the school. So by this time next year, I should be getting ready to graduate and go to the 4-year institution that I want to attend, which is Mississippi State. So yeah, you know, after that I can do actually freaking college moving vlogs and shit because I'm not at my house or I'm not at my boyfriend's house or whatever. So I could actually do a moving vlog, and I'm so excited for that. So 2021 is definitely gonna be my year. 2020 is hopefully just gonna be my year to like start my, this sun is like beaming. It's like beaming hard as fuck. But yeah, it's gonna be my year. I cannot wait for 2021. I'm manifesting it. I cannot wait. I can move, do all that nice stuff. But yeah, and I guess I'll talk to y'all whenever I get to school and get to class or whatever. Because I'm doing pretty good on time right now. It's 9:57, and I'm like already out of my city. I'm already out of my city. I'm like maybe 15 minutes out of my school. Well, not out of my school, out of the town that my school is in. Because it takes another 5 or 10 minutes once I get into the town that my school is in to actually get to the school. So I have another like 20 minutes in the car. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to y'all later. So I just got out of class. Yo, that class is freaking 2 hours long, bro. Like the class was 2 hours and 15 minutes. And I was not expecting that. I thought my class was like short. Well, I thought, yeah, like I said, I thought the internet 12:15, but it's 45. So yeah, I'm about to go call my best friend, see what she doing. Might go somewhere, take a couple pics, and then I'm going home. Or I just might just go home. Who knows? I'm about to FaceTime my best friend, see what she doing though first. Okay, so I've been home for a good 15-20 minutes. I've been home for about 15-20 minutes. But outside playing with my dog because my lashes keep getting caught on my glass. But I've been outside playing with my dog because my mom had them outside. Because somebody has to watch my dog while I'm at school. So she does that for me. I'm about to probably go and first of all, I put my phone on charger because the bitch about dead. So put my phone on. Oh, my mom. She did. My mom did laundry and everything. She clutch. But I'm about to put my phone on charger because my dog's still outside playing, running around over there because we have a big yard. So he's still outside playing. And I'm about to go and change my clothes so I can go. Ooh. I'm gonna go change my clothes so I can go mud riding. Cause I don't go mud riding in this fit. But y'all, I got some hair for Christmas. My boyfriend bought me this hair, and it's from Queen Like. And I'm thinking about doing a review. I'm gonna make a wig, and then I'm thinking about doing a review. But if y'all want to see that review on his hair, then let me know after I make my wig and stuff and install it. Just let me know, and I will get that done. But yeah, so like I said, I'm about to change, go find something to eat so I can go letter writing. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm, dressed or whatever. Okay, so yesterday I remember the last thing I said was I was about to go mud. Oh, my room is like dirty as fuck, but I gotta clean it. But I remember the last thing I told y'all that I was getting ready to go mud riding, which I did. But I was rushing to get out my house and change my clothes because I had already got out of class late. So I was rushing. So I didn't take it with me. Well, I took my phone, but yeah, it was a very eventful ride. So I didn't film, but I think I'm about to go mud riding again today. Since the mud is still, might as well. So I might take off today. I might. We're gonna see how it goes. I might take out mud riding with me today and just continue this vlog for a couple days, cause why not? Ooh, I'm as close as heck. But y'all, look at these lashes. I love these lashes. And don't come for me talking about some I got on lashes and glasses. Mind your business, boo, cause you can still see me flying and fluttering. But yeah, I'm real. But yeah, so I'm about to clean my room. I just got out of class. It's about 10:30, 10:40. It's about 10:40ish. I got out of class at about 10:15. Just made it home. So I'm about to take my makeup off, change my clothes, and clean my room, get something to eat, so I can get ready to head out for my activities today. So yeah, I see y'all maybe when I'm cleaning my room. Who knows?